Right, so we are back again with the £500 Renault Laguna. Today we're going to be restoring the headlight because you can see it better today. It's not covered in rain. It's quite, to be fair, the camera doesn't make it look too bad. But at the top, they're both quite cloudy. And obviously, if I'm going to be selling this car, small things like that, you just want it to be immaculate. Now you can sand them, you can polish them, you can do all that kind of stuff. But that wouldn't be a fun video. Today we're going to be doing something which I found out as a kid. And I've always wanted to try it on my own cars. Toothpaste. Can you clean a headlight with toothpaste? Pretty sure you can, but it'll be quite fun to see. Obviously, yeah, as I said, this is the condition of them now. They're not bad, but they could definitely do with a clean. So let's see how it goes. It's not going to be like a long video, but it'll be quite interesting to see if toothpaste actually works, because I hope everyone should have this at home. So if you do enjoy, leave a like and subscribe, and let's see if this works. Obviously we pulled out the dent on the door on the other side. I have ordered new tyres for all four corners, so we're making progress. The only things left really are the headlights, which we're doing today, the hot start issue, which I'm going to try and attempt at the weekend, and then I can stick the car up for sale. I don't know how I've got it for 500 quid, touch wood. It seems to be too good to be true, but yeah. So we've just given the headlights a good dry, which is the main thing. If you don't want any like contaminants, obviously the car's not spotless, so these are now dry. You can actually hear it as well. They're quite rough. It probably won't make them smooth because we aren't polishing it as such, but it just makes it look that bit cleaner. Is it literally as simple as that?
Yeah, and I don't think Colgate's the best, but whatever.
It's alright. I don't think they're sold as like a car cleaning thing anyway. So what, like rub that on, let it dry, then take it off?
No, just keep rubbing, because what it's doing is it's a very fine abrasive. So what it's doing is it will start taking off that nasty film that's developed on the surface.
So you've got to wipe it off now as well. It's not going to be perfect, but it's just interesting to see if it actually works. Obviously, Colgate's not like the best toothpaste, like as in strength wise. So if you had like a stronger toothpaste, I hate the taste of toothpaste, but if you like a strong toothpaste, go clean your headlights. Like it's set up for you. Again, they're not perfect. Oh no, they definitely improved it.
It'll take a few goes at it, but it does work.
It's not perfect, but you can see here it's less rough.
It's coming off, yeah.
Okay, that's
so it does
potential.
Work, it is.
Right, so on this side, we're now going to do like a cutting compound. It's not really a fair test because that headlight was worse than this one. Obviously, the cutting compound is borderline meant for this kind of thing, but it just makes for a cool title. Toothpaste versus cutting compound, what's best to use? Again, this one is not bad at all, but hopefully it should be perfect. And then we'll go over that one a few more times and see what's more cost effective. Obviously, it's going to be toothpaste, but yeah, this is it's a cheap, easy mod for anyone to do. And it really does improve the look of the cars. Like my sister's headlights are so bad and it makes the car look terrible. That and the couple of dents she's got around it. But anyway, let's see how the cutting compound goes. Right, one pass over this one and you can see it's made quite a big difference. This one wasn't bad to start with, but you can literally see it's made a big difference. Again, that's only one pass. If you went over it a couple of times, you get it perfect. Can we be bothered to do it? Oh, he can, I can't. But yeah, it should come out well, that one. The interesting test of this video is the toothpaste. If you were interested in what we're using, obviously we got the Colgate, but we're using this as well, Turtle Wax Safeguard. It's not sponsored at all. That's just what we've always had lying around. Seems to do a good job on everything. I've taken off like a badge on the boot, and then it'll get rid of what's left of that. Is this headlight now done?
Well, it's done again, but still not perfect.
That's never going to be perfect, but that's a good base to compare. So you can see this one now, call it like an 8 out of 10, and we got this one now probably like a 5 or a 6. So let's see if we can get this one with toothpaste to get even close to that one. All right, that's about as much as I think we're going to do with the toothpaste, because at the end of the day it is a £500 car, but it has definitely improved the front end look. Again, it's not perfect, but that is pretty good. It's nowhere near as good as this. But we're now going to polish them both with that Turtle Wax like polish, and they should come up nice. Again, this one I'm really happy with that. This one's not perfect, but it's toothpaste, and I can't stress that enough. If you didn't know that, that is quite a cool trick. And obviously, if you've got proper toothpaste, not like toothpaste for kids, it's probably all right. So let's give them a polish, and I'll show you the end result. But fun fact of the day. Okay, so it's all done. The car is one step closer for sale. Obviously, as I said, it's a cheap car. It's never going to be perfect unless you properly like sanded it down and did all of that kind of stuff. But for 500 quid, with headlights like that, I'm really happy with that. So the next step is tyres. I'm not going to be showing you that. The next step for the channel is the hot start issue where it can't start from hot. Pretty sure it's a crank sensor, so we'll be addressing that in the next video. If the video is like 20 minutes long, it's not the crank sensor and something's gone wrong. This dent, we pulled it out in the video where we showed off the car, showing it off, and yeah, it is absolutely sick. So proper happy with that. We've done well. Again, for 500 quid, I really can't moan. If you haven't seen the previous one, go check it out. It's a mega car, absolutely sick, and I'm excited to see what we get for it if I actually end up selling it, because I'm still on the fence about keeping it, because again, without saying it too often, for 500 quid, what else are you gonna find like this? But yeah, hopefully I'll see you again. Cheers.